Let's move on to the next topic, analyzing non-deterministic FSM. Okay, finite state machine NFSM. So under that, handling epsilon transition. Okay, so that is EPS of Q. So the function EPS of Q where Q is some state in M. Okay, it is some state in M. So what does this function do? This function gives the set of states of M, that are reachable from Q, by following 0 or more epsilon transition. Okay, so you're trying to move from one state to another, you're trying to reach from one state to another by 0 or more epsilon transition. So we shall check out the problem under that. The first problem here. Okay, so compute EPS, okay, epsilon, considering the following NFSM. So you have the diagram here. Okay, a non-deterministic finite state machine is given. So this is the problem statement. So you know how the flow goes. So you know that this is start, that is Q naught, and you know this is the final state. So from each and every state there are some transitions. So I have input A, B, and then you can check epsilon. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 different states. So with respect to each state, I need to write this, the function EPS of Q. So Q is state, altogether I have 4 states. So I need to find out EPS of Q naught, okay, this one. Then I need to find EPS of Q1. Then I need to find EPS of Q2, and then I need to find EPS of Q3. Okay, so we shall find out the different states that are reachable with respect to a particular state. So I'll start from Q naught. So whenever the function epsilon of Q, EPS of Q is to itself. Okay, so EPS of Q naught, it is to itself, that is to Q naught itself. Then from Q naught, just check can you move to other states with epsilon transition. So I have Q naught here. So from Q naught, using epsilon, I can go to Q1. So from Q naught to Q1 is reachable. So the next one here is Q1. So Q1 is done. So from Q naught, I don't have any other transition with respect to epsilon. Now I got a new state Q1. So from Q1, using epsilon, just check whether you can move to different state. So from Q1, using epsilon, I can go to Q2. So I can go to Q2. So the next new state here is Q2. So from Q1, other epsilons I don't have. Next I'll consider Q2. So from Q2, I have epsilon here. So from Q2, epsilon, it goes to Q naught. So I have a new state Q naught here. Okay, so from Q2, using epsilon, I have Q naught. So I should include Q naught here, but Q naught is already written. Since it is already written, you need not write it again. So just check whether you have any other transitions. You don't have any other transitions. So the function EPS of Q naught gives Q naught, Q1, Q2. Similarly, we shall find EPS of Q1. The next state Q1. So first of all, it is to itself. So Q1, first of all, it is to itself Q1. So from Q1, check where is it reachable. So from Q1, I have an epsilon here, but it is not from Q1 to Q0. It is from Q0 to Q1, right? So this you can't consider. So outgoing transition. So from Q1, if I read epsilon, it goes to Q2. Okay, from Q0, if I read epsilon, it goes to Q2. So next I have to include Q2. So Q2 is done. Next I have Q2, check from Q2. So from Q2, by reading epsilon, it goes to Q0. Right, Q0. So you got Q0 1. So Q0 now. So from Q0, reading epsilon, it goes to Q1. But Q1 is already written, so you're done with this. Next, EPS of Q2. So I'll consider the next one, Q2. Q2 is here. First to itself. So it is Q2. Next, from Q2, if I read epsilon, it goes to Q0, right? So I will write Q0, write Q0. So from Q0, while reading epsilon, it goes to Q1. So I'll write Q1. So from Q1, if I read epsilon, it goes to Q2, but Q2 is already written. I am done with this. Next, I'll consider Q3. So from Q3, first to itself. So from Q3, I have only one outgoing B. I don't have any epsilon transition. Okay. So other states are not reachable from Q3. So what happens? EPS of Q3 is only Q3. Okay. This is how you find out the solution. Okay. So we shall move on to the next problem, the similar kind. One more example I'll consider. So compute epsilon closure for each state in the given diagram. Okay, so how many states are there in this particular diagram? I have Q0, Q1 and Q3. Q2, 3 different states. So I'll find EPS of Q0, then I'll find EPS of Q1, then I'll find EPS of Q2. So what is EPS of Q0? So first to itself, so it is Q0. So from Q0, epsilon transition, it goes to Q1. So next it is Q1. So from Q1, epsilon, it goes to Q2. So it is Q2. So from Q2, I don't have any epsilon transitions. I am done with this. Next one, EPS of Q1. So Q1 to itself, from Q1, epsilon transition to Q2. So from Q2 I don't have anything. I am done with this. Next, EPS of Q2. So from Q2 to itself. So from Q2 I don't have any other epsilon transitions. So I am done with this. So you found the EPS of all the 3 states. So this particular EPS functions is needed in further problems. Okay, in other problems. So next you will be studying building deterministic finite state machine from a non-deterministic finite state machine. Okay, DFSM from NDFSM. So to solve that problem, first of all you need to find out the function. Okay, so once you're thorough with this, we shall move to the next topic.